Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you an update regarding something really good because everyone is trying to get into the VLSI industry, and VLSI industry is really big, really vast. So no one till now is able to understand the pace of the industry with which it is growing. It is exponentially growing. So let me tell you, to get into the industry, you need to understand the industry. To understand the industry, you need to know the people. You need to know the employees. You need to know the technology with which the industry and the field is growing. So with this, which things help us to get to know these things? So these things are nothing but these are the seminars, conferences organized by the different institutes, maybe IITs, NITs, or maybe different collaboration of companies like Colloquium and Nvidia, like those. So we have several international conferences organized by these institutions or these forums. So similarly, I have an update like IIT Mandi is organizing a Colloquium in which you should definitely participate, because there we have different kind of people from different cities, from different countries with different prospects. So we have to understand those prospects. We can have an idea like how the industry is growing, like different technology nodes, different devices, how the optimization of area, power and delay is going there. So all these things defines VLSI industry. So to get to know these things, you need to attend these seminars, conferences, whether these are virtual or you need to go to there. So there is no doubt like PhDs, MTech guys, BTech guys should join these seminars or conferences. So the thing I was telling you, there is an international Colloquium organized by IIT Mandi. It is called as International Colloquium on Technology Readiness for High Volume Semiconductor Chip Manufacturing 2021. So this is the seminar, this is the academic conference you should join, and it is starting tomorrow. I will share you the link and the whole poster of this seminar. So what is happening in this seminar is we will be having different speakers from the different countries. Basically, there will be different speakers from Niti, India, Niti Aayog, India, Berkeley Laboratory, USA, Korea University, Taiwan University, and similarly we will be having global foundries from USA and different professors from different IITs and IBM Semiconductor USA. So these are the people, top professionals from the top semiconductor industries. So we should definitely listen to them. We will be knowing how the VLSI industry is really growing with the new ideas and with the new collaborations, like all those things. So I would suggest you to join this seminar or conference. This is just to tell you that this thing is also one of the most important things which we are learning, which we are preparing. So I hope you will be participating in this seminar and will be enjoying, will be learning new things from there. And I will also be joining this seminar and the whole seminar. So I will be sharing the poster of the conference after the complete discussion. Thank you.